Put your hands on your stomach. Put it on your chest, actually. Put it on your chest more. Good.
Oh.
More.
Oh. Oh.
More.
Oh. 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 Oh my God.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
This just allows me to keep everything more congruent. So, Reuben,
Yes, sir.
you have back pain, you have neck pain. Tell me what's going on, man.
Well, I've done moving for about 10 years now.
Mm.
So I know that has a lot to do with it.
Yeah, yeah.
And also I skated for like many years as well. And
You skated?
yeah.
Like hockey?
No, just skateboarding.
Oh, skateboard. Okay.
Yeah. So I busted my ass so many times, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And I just never got any treatment, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And now I just feel like my back pain is like ridiculous. It like just feels like it's horrible, you know.
Wow.
It doesn't let me sleep at night, you know.
That's terrible.
Yeah, it's like the worst feeling, like. But it's gotten to the point where I kind of just got used to it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm used to that pain now. But like I know, like deep down, like it's not right. You know?
No, yeah, it's not good. I'd scale from 0 to 10. How bad's the pain? 10 being the worst.
I think maybe like 9.
Oh.
Sometimes even 10, you know.
Oh, damn. Wow. Dang. Sorry.
No, you're good.
So that's really bad. Do you have numbness and tingling down your legs?
Not on my legs, but I do feel like so much weight on my legs sometimes because I feel like I'm carrying my back, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And like I'm carrying furniture like daily, you know.
Yeah, so that's not really. So you have back pain and then you're carrying furniture daily, so it's not giving your body ever like really a chance to relax.
Yeah, exactly.
At all. I gotcha, man. What are you trying to do in between to help the pain?
Honestly, not much.
Not much.
Not much. I'm always at work, and whenever like I just get off work, I just go home.
Because you're tired.
Yeah, you know, lay down. But even like when I get home tired, I just can't sleep sometimes, you know.
Yeah.
Because of like how uncomfortable it feels, you know.
Yeah.
Like if I sleep on one side, I'm like immediately trying to change to my other side, you know, because my neck starts hurting or whatever.
Oh man. So you have lower back pain, but you have neck pain too.
Yeah.
Okay. How bad's the neck pain? Tell me about it.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad because I'm always I'm the one that loads the trucks at work, so I'm always lifting boxes over my head.
Sure.
You know. So I'm always training like this or like that, you know, and so much weight like on me, you know.
Man, you got a lot of compression. There's a lot of like things that just haven't moved in a while.
For sure.
There's just your body's just like crying out right now.
No, yeah, for sure.
Do you get migraines, headaches, anything like that?
At times, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How often are you getting headaches and migraines?
Not too often, honestly. It's just mostly like when I try to go to sleep, you know.
Yeah.
Like I get home tired, thinking like, oh yeah, I'm about to go to sleep right away. Immediately, I just I lay down and I just can't go to sleep, you know. Like when it starts like right here, like from right here, like to my head, you know.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just like I can't sleep.
You have mid back issues too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like my whole back just feels.
Yeah, and I can see. I mean, your shoulders are really far forward. Your head's
No,
far
yeah.
forward. I imagine since you were a skater for all those years, that you did bust your ass a lot.
No, yeah, for
This
sure.
is definitely a part of it.
Yeah.
Man. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think, just like I was telling her, we just have to see what your spine's looking like. And I think, out of anything that you guys would get today is that everything will at least start to move better.
No, yeah, for sure.
And I think once you get back to Cali, I mean, definitely find a chiro that you can go to. I mean, the unfortunate thing about coming down here is that I can't see you as much as I'd really love to.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to take x-rays on you guys.
Cool, for sure.
And then let's see what's going on with you.
Cool. Thank
All
you
right?
so much.
Cool. So do you see this, how your shoulders just move so far in like this? You really should be back like that, all right? Yeah, so that feels kind of weird, right?
Yeah. Nice.
Let me see your arms just like this. You're gonna hold right there, okay? And I'm gonna put my hand right behind your back. That's it. So I'm gonna go right here. Hold a little bit tighter. Good. And then I'm gonna have you roll this way. That's it. Good. So take a deep breath. Let that go. Good. Relax your neck more.
Oh damn. Oh, I felt good.
Yeah.
Damn. Oh man, I felt good.
That felt good, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now go on your stomach.
Oh.
Good. Good. Just gonna take a deep breath. Let that go. Good. Look up a little bit there for me. Good. Let your shoulders, let it drop. Another exhale. Good.
Jesus. Oh man. That was a good one.
This is strong.
Oh yeah.
That was good, right?
Yeah, for sure. Whew. Alright.
Your next one, you ready?
Yeah.
Good. Go on this side. Or face this side. All right. So you're gonna bend this knee, just like this. There you go. Hold just right there. Hold just right there.
Some cake.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you roll. You're not gonna fall, okay?
Okay.
So let your hips, let it just fall. Let it fall more. Good.
Okay.
More. Take a deep breath. Let that go. Relax your stomach more.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, sheesh. Oh my god. That felt good. Wow. That felt
That was
good.
everything, right? Yeah.
Damn. Can we do that one again? Damn.
Yeah.
Alright.
Go on the other side, face this way. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just
Good.
like in disbelief.
Like just like this. Forward there. So I'm gonna have you turn just a little bit. That's it. That's good. That's it. So we're gonna adjust right here, okay?
Okay.
Good, so take a deep breath and let that go. More.
Oh, that felt good.
Both are super strong.
Oh my
You alright?
That hurt too bad.
Oh, I like that one right there. That one was good. Oh man, that's amazing.
Yeah.
You got a kid.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Good.
Yeah.
Lay on your back.
Okay.
That's it.
You're gonna do my neck?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes. Yes.
Yes.
Oh man,
You okay?
I'm good. Yeah.
So right there, you feel that?
Yeah.
Right there.
How tense, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So I just want you to relax your head a little more. That's it. Let's turn a little bit. So just let your head chin up.
Oh my god.
What are you thinking?
Whew.
What are you thinking?
Oh my god. That was a crazy one. Oh my god. That one was crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. That was hard.
Yeah.
I heard that one. Oh yes.
That was big.
Yeah, it was. I felt good though.
Felt good.
Felt necessary. Oh. Can I touch it?
You can touch. You can touch it.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm good.
Good. All right. Go ahead and sit up, and then face to the left now. You both have some heavy eyes.
Oh yeah.
Your eyes are like heavy.
No, yeah.
Yeah. Scoot forward a little
I'll
bit.
tell you, I feel like
Scoot forward.
I feel, I don't know, kind of like a, not like a dream, but like,
But kind of like a dream.
kind of like a dream.
Yeah, I got you. So I want you to turn your head as much as you can. That's it. So this one, you're just gonna have to really relax with everything, okay?
Okay.
I can feel you're already tense with the neck stuff. So I really need you to just relax more. Let your head drop. Let that fall. Relax that shoulder more.
Oh. Oh. Damn. That one was hard. Did you hear that one?
I heard it.
I think Callie heard that one.
Mom, you heard that one? Oh my god. Oh yeah. That was it.
That was it, right?
Yeah. Damn.
Give me a chance to recover. You good?
No, yeah, I'm good. I feel good. Damn. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm good. Yeah.
Good. Awesome. You're gonna lay on your back now.
Hurt. You can't see again. Oh no, it's okay.
Here it comes.
Just relax as much as you can. Good. Just relax your shoulders. Let it go. Let it go. Put your hands on your stomach. Put it on your chest, actually. Put it on your chest more. Good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That felt good.
Good. I'll be with you in a second.
Oh man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That felt good. That was it right there too.
Yeah.
Man. You know what you're doing. That's crazy. Alright. Can I get up and see how I feel?
Yeah, you can get up. Go ahead. Good. Go and sit up. You can turn towards me. Good. How do you feel?
That was it. Yeah, I feel good.
Good.
Man. I haven't felt like that in a long time. Oh, yes. Damn, thank you so much.
Yeah, man. I'm glad you guys came.
I'm glad we came too, man. Oh, man, that trip was so worth it. Oh, man. That was crazy. I'm good.
Good.
Can I stand up?
Yeah, you can stand up. Go ahead.
Man, definitely worth it for sure. Oh, man. Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It's a different high. Like.
Oh, yeah. It's crazy. That white strap is no joke, man.
No, it's no joke, right?
Damn.